All right, it's been a while, but I'm back. Had a lot going on lately. Had end of the year stuff with the kids and school, graduation stuff, life in general. I have my own school. It's just been chaotic past couple weeks. And I got a new tattoo. I don't know if you saw that. Go back, watch some of the early videos of the lighthouse, and you'll understand what this tattoo means to me. Anyway, I am close. I got 4 bags left on the typewriter. Here's what I have so far. I'm gonna pick it up and not knock off those things on the stinking space bar. Here we go. That's what it looks like. Okay. So today, like I said, we're gonna knock out bag 8. One step further, 4 bags left. Then I gotta figure out what I'm gonna build next. I think what I'm gonna do next is a bunch of smaller sets that I have to kind of clear those out of the queue and then go from there, but we'll see. Anyway, here's what bag 8 build looks like. Alrighty, that sums it up for bag 8. Pretty simple stuff. See if I can pick it up without losing my favorite piece, the space bar. But here's kind of what that looks like so far. It's getting there. So I think the next bag is going to be really cool because it's going to start the actual like roller part. I don't know the correct term. The little roller part right here. So that should be interesting. Anyway, stay tuned for the next one. As always, if you want to chat or you want to share your cool pictures of stuff you're building, feel free to share it on the socials. There's links. Other than that, I'll see you next time. Peace.